How to get a $50 PlayStation Store voucher for free with Funds app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a $50 PlayStation Store voucher absolutely free. Yep, you heard that right, totally free. No hidden charges, no tricks, just a simple method that anyone can use. Stick around because I'm going to guide you step by step. Before we dive into how to get your free voucher, let me show you how it works. So right here on my PlayStation Store, I'm about to redeem a voucher code. Head over to the Redeem Code section and paste in the code you'll get in a moment. Then hit Continue. Check that out. Voucher successfully redeemed. I just got $50 added to my PlayStation account. And the best part is that this amount automatically converts to your local currency, so it works no matter where you are. Now, to get your hands on your own free PlayStation voucher, head over to fundsazapp.com. Just type in fundsazapp.com in your browser. This is a legit site that frequently updates with amazing offers like this one, and I'm about to show you how it works. On FundsZap, you'll find a section dedicated to PlayStation Store voucher codes. Choose the $50 voucher or $100 if it's available. And click to unlock it. You'll see a button that says Unlock Code. This will start the process. Next up, you'll need to complete a couple of simple tasks to unlock your code. Don't worry, these are easy tasks and they don't take long at all. They could include downloading an app, interacting with some content, or completing simple in-app actions. Pick any task that works for you. Some tasks may only take a few seconds, while others might take a couple of minutes. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete them. Once you've completed the tasks, head back to Funds app and refresh the page. Your 12-digit voucher code should now be unlocked and ready for use. Now head back to the PlayStation Store, paste the code you unlocked into the Redeem Code section, and hit Continue. Your $50 voucher will be added to your account instantly, and you're all set to grab whatever you want from the store. And that's it. You've just got yourself a free $50 PlayStation Store voucher with Funds app. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more awesome tutorials, and leave a comment below if you need any help or have any questions about the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.